Khubor baro syakatup Khuborjylla ka donbosco Media Network. Kimat kibakong san mentaka sngi kilong, sam shithi thungkam Menteri Rangba haki sampu sangut ki doktor, na monolit mauplang pawar burong Samla Akbar ya uba preston, rakhe sngi kerpang ki kenthe da ke exhibition de tiar hamairang, ban Ud ki padba na kithan rambrai baslem banyo bil electric. Tomentang ni pai syaki Khubor ke bakambanya. Menteri Rangba konrat ke sangma hakah nyau tarik Lber. Ulah pelat padba yaka Climate Adaptive Community Based Water Harvesting Project. Hakah Jylla State Convention Center. Menteri Ketenat Soil and Water Conservation Marcus and Marak barka Menteri Ketenat Kakot Kakhya Kakong Amprin Lengdo kilayadan lang hakani ka Jylla. Konrad ulasam yaka soskular syaki laipo reu teli ki Shillong ki bahab haki prateli ki Community and Rural Development Block East Khasi Hills District. Kini ki laipo reu teli ki project ki ban pentrai kam naga benta ban shna yaki telong bat kumju ban yada yaka mariang haka jinglut jingsep ka bakenjo syaka laipo saw poin arpusan klur tengka. Hakani ka ju ka Jylla Menteri Rangba ula ai ki shithi thungkam Yasan pusaw ngut ki doktor haka kerdan medical officer junior specialist but dental surgeon.
MMRB board on the way, and on top of that, Madam Shillong and Director of Health Services and everyone present here. Thank you.
Jongi lang hakum kani kapor. Kit bok kit biang dia pi kita ikan hon ki banyo anta ya kini ki lai pun reu teli ki project to kelek mo pi shim ye gani ki ai monsunga jo sarkar ka ba I don kam.
I express my sincere appreciation to our Honorable Chief Minister Sri Konrad K. Samla for his steadfast dedication and support towards ensuring water sustainability in our state for future generations.
Dr. Lber Tamachi P. Samla, Dr. Lber Tamachi P. Samla, Dr. Nakasa Ajitok Samla, Dr. Nakasa Ajitok Samla, Dr. Official Mary Kurba, Dr. Official Mary Kurba, Dr. Piltrao Na Wankar, Dr. Risila Karmi, Dr. Risila Karmi, Dr. Andy Stars Inge, Dr. Kim Korlang Payat, Dr. Eric Mauri, Dr. Hamid Laboti Mukim, Dr. Jylla, Dr. Jylla,
So she's been waiting for this. She's already in it.
Dr. Merciful Lito, Dr. Wanmokram Ramsi, Dr. Bandalin Kampat, Dr. Ugatilni Suyang, Dr. Monica Adinjo, Dr. Rida Shisha Hussain, Dr. Emha Lamzi Kongra Deloy.
Some of the beneficiaries are here to receive the MOU from the hands of our Honorable Chief Minister, and basically under this MOU, community procurement, so in East Khasi Hills alone. So these are the major achievements. As I mentioned earlier, this is an entirely community-driven project, so we are going to be benefited from this program. And also we are going to train the components of the activities which are to be done under the community procurement. So we have basically the catchment area treatment. Skip this part. Next, this is entirely a community-driven project, and the whole. Today the program is particularly for the foundation stone laying of.
Health plays a very, very important role, and it had not got the kind of importance that it deserved in the many past years. You'll be happy to know that the budget provision that we give to health today in terms of percentage is the highest in the country. We are giving 8% of our budget to health, and that is, as I said, number 1 in the country, and this has gone up more than double. When we started off, it was less than 5%, around 4 point something percent, and today over 8% of our budget we spend on health and the other related activities because of the fact that we give importance to health in our system. And therefore, recruitment of doctors is one part, but you will see the kind of transformation that is happening internally in the department, and many changes will happen. It's not easy. It's not easy to wake up a system that is sleeping for a long time. I should say, I'm not trying to say anything negative against anybody, but it's not easy. So you get the system moving, and once the motion and the inertia is there, then we can come up to our top speed. So it was very difficult for us to shake it up and bring this system in place. But today I'm happy that the health department under the leadership of Ong Amrin Lingo is really moving forward in the right direction. The amount of investments today that we're making in ensuring that infrastructure is improved. You'll be happy to note that we are going to start off, and this of course is for everybody. It's in the concept stage, and we should be able to implement it by next financial year. Is that we are planning to put up administrative housing units in all the district headquarters and as many of the hospitals, PHCs, CHCs, so that all doctors, or whether it be MCS officers, or whether it be engineers, depending on the different categories, will be having different housing places. So rather than having a separate housing for the doctors and a separate housing for the engineers and a separate housing for MCS officers, we'll have administrative housing complexes.
This project aims at constructing 532 water harvesting structures and small multipurpose reservoirs across our state. This stands as a testament to our unwavering commitment to addressing the challenges posed by climate change and securing water sources for our communities. The project ambit is extensive, covering approximately 350 hectares of pondage area, 2,500 hectares of common area, and 12,500 hectares of catchment area. Through these endeavors, our objective is to enhance our water reservoirs and alleviate the impacts of the unpredictable weather patterns and dwindling rainfall on our agricultural practices and livelihoods.
We will be having many more such programs. This one is about a $60 million program. 62 million. So 62 million means, if you multiply that about plus minus 80, so that's 500 crores. Yeah. So about 500 crores worth of projects will be implemented. Today we have only given 7 crores. So this is just the beginning, and it's just the tip of the iceberg. Many more projects will come up, some with communities, some separately, because some will be large scale. So we have broken the project into multiple divisions and multiple sectors, and hence that project will be implemented again as we go along. So
next, we would like to felicitate Dr. Ong Amrin Lingo, Honorable Minister in charge of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department and Health and Family Department, Government of Meghalaya. And our last but not least is to Honorable Minister Shillong in charge of Soil and Water Conservation Department. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Engineer Sorika, Engineer Sorika, Sumaya Madam Engineer Sorika, Sorika Block today. Hello. Kawaitan ke Shillong, Maudam Khasi, Madan Khasi, kedua-dua sekolah dari atas, Tangsi,
Samla akbar senteng nongdhar barka kunhun ulaai kajing pawar priang burom yau ba prestun tensong usembut menteri rangba ka Jylla ubala long ukongsan ha kajing yalang ple ya tamasa mau bena peni dustur riti ha mau plang Monolith Heritage Festival mau plang kapala sedang ha ka step nyau tarik bat kanne hadu khandai tarik Lber Lengba kisur pawar kenhoi basngau tenat bat benrap da kisur jingtem naka bom kaksing basyongshit usamla akbar senteng nongdhar ula jeri kijing itenat ka maryang ka kor ka burom ka riam ka bed bat ki har pahar ki kentin ringsur ka penrhem ya ka mensim bat donut jong ki he ki han ki lendan ki kenram ki samla samhoi bat ki pat belin ha kani ka step sedang ya kani ka lempung tamasa Kasyat kerku kerdo kitbok kirbiang yaki klawat kiba penkre ban turtma banyada yala ka yeng kasem ka kur ka jan ka it ka hima kala kring yaki kmat pet ye jong ki pat ba ki bala poi ha ka step ple yakani ka tamasa hamau plang yakani ka tamasa la Beijing lut deka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC rengkat ka jinga trelang jong ki kunhun ki bala pentebet ha ki pang jingokai perthai ki kunhun ruai, kunhun nongput nongtem, ki nong di dukan, bat kiwe ki kunhun ki bala penwandor itenat yakani ka lempung baro kawe.
hubangin nang higay hubangin nang ayo sa tangki hana kasuk dangi bersang desa kamang cofi jonga hoi tin khasilah jerkai wangan pat la dam jing ma namar wat ya imei dai mo biki ong hana Farat ne iparat buka pateng lencing ma warung khanet bakha dai mendan gajing kekli ngesang na phi banga kim thasi om dai bane jatin ja oka dai bette na imei
National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development (NABARD) Meghalaya Regional rengkat ke Jylla Trelang berke Northeast Institute of Professional Studies NEIPS. Hakah nyau tarik Lber kala penlong ya ka jing rakhe International Women's Day da ka jing play padba ya ka exhibition cum sales program ka ba arsngi halor ka phang. Khot ya ka shapo kentiu ya ka jing rengkat kerdan da ka yo ka kot. Count her in accelerating gender equality through economic empowerment. Haka Jylla kabala penlong hamadan motirat mission mairang. Haka ni ka Jylla rakhe ya ka sngi bakarpang jogi kenthei. Ladan lang u general manager ka NABARD P Sahu ka block development officer mairang block kong LR Nyota u CEO ka NEIPS ba Michael Tongni ki self help group ki longkme na keleng kishnong jong kani kathan. Hakani kasngi lapen kup biki katu kani ki self help group ki bala no senyang shibun syaka imlang salang. Lale buromru ya ka kong kumon walang ka bana mau kerwan ka bala pau nambha haki Jylla kop mare marathon.
Ya kam kinthei ban perkiu ya ka jing ya long ka ju jong ki para shnang ban para kanthei lingba ka jing ai tumko bol ban ai pisang. Ini ka team matang senang kalong kami ka ba bersama nak benda berpinjat yaki kentai siapa bagi sim yang kata kesinjam bagi ges ya bagi kam bagi rung apa kini hukum bagi orang ke entrepreneurship bagi nak bersang lagi jadi business. Nomor ba lagi dari Peit dah mentari ki kentai berapa kita long kum kita ki bagi cukup bagi homemakers lagi di balai.
Halor ka jing uot jo ki pat ba na kisnong hathan rambrai. Kinong yalam ka seng Nyautrep Youth Council HYC Rambrai Circle. Hakah Nyautrep Lber kilalet ban ya kundu ya USDO katanat boarding hanong ston ban panjing shai. Halor ka jing bampoi tikna ki bil elektrik hakisnong kanika than ki balabo ya ki pat ba haka jing ling a ka bakraw. Kinong yalam ke HYC kila pensngo ha USDO hadu unriu benai kisnong haka nika than kim shem yo pediang ya ki bil elektrik. Kani ka jing buteng kinong penyat ya katanat penmi boarding elektrik ban penpoi ya ki bil manu benai kalah penleng a ya ki pat ba namar ki shepting endawan ka bil en hap siu shisen siu na benta bon benai. Kani kan kata ya ka yo ka kot jong ki pat ba nong kendong ki ba im hakarep karyang bat hakikam belas ngi kendoi jakpo. USDO Meghalaya Power Distribution Corporation Limited ulakular ban shim kia halor kani ka jing baki pat ba kathan rambrai kia kendu. Ulakular ru ban hukum ye ki armut kinong trei ki badai ban sa me ki bil elektrik ban batai halor kani ka jingbu teng jongki ya laki kamram bala benshet haki.
Nakaleng jongi ka HYC rambrai circle rengkat bat ka HYC West Kasil district Ngilawan hang NEHA po MPDCL SDO Nongstany halor kamat ba kajing bompoi bil patikana apo kathan rambrai riman syatai sya tanjungi lakumban ru benai te kene kejungwan jungi nisutanat ba usahab ulakular ban simkhia ban lekloi ban simkhia halor kane ka benta ban namar kidan katkum kajing jing tim ni sahab kidan armut kinong trai bat ya kita usahab ula simkhia bansa pensitom lane bansa simkhia maki ban le ya ka banam kam te kumka wei ma lada ki penslam kumne ya kabil hadun reu banai yo lese la shai la singi dalap poi kabil kan long kabarem kamut ba ki nong snong kalong ka jinjar ban seo kamtam kinong jengi style la kilong ki baduna kayo kekot tela padro ya ka department ba lada kalong kumni kemud ba lasai dalap poi ka kabil kin subhaban ya keren bat ki nong snong ban kampen ya penjensur ya kabel lai te ka khubor ka ba sukuman ek kalong ba usahab ulakular bansimkhia ya kane ka kam
Kipulit na sadar police station haba kilayo jingtip na kinong penyaj ka hotel assembly kabadon ha police bazar baudon ubreu hakawe ka kamera ubalakhang khop hapo kamera lapalat shisni tam rengkat batki sakhi satar kila kendar bat lied ek jingkhang jong kata ka kamera haba kila rung lashem uwe ubreu uba kerteng usijo Joseph sapunyo snam kerta ubasyong basa ha Beltola Road Guwahati ula thia yap da pelup lengktar halor ka jing thia la penlong ya ka jing tokit baro kat kum ki kendon an ya kani ka met yap la suba ya ki daw tenrai uni ubreu ula due ya la ka jing em na ka jing di palat ya ki dawai ki ba pen thanda ya ka jabing bat ka met na ki jing khuslai jing leng a bat jing pisa ya kani ka met la ra shaki jaka sumar banle ya ki post mortem badon kam ki pulit kidang tokit sani halor kani ka jingja bat la pentip ru shaki bah yeng hasem jongu State President ka National People's Party NPP ba Preston Tensong ula kentu ya ki Samla jong kani ka seng ban kriya ya ki tiar yada ban pen phaiktien persha ya ki jing keno jong kinong yalam ka seng Voice of the People Party VPP ha ka jing yalang ki Samla NPP ha State Central Library ha ka nyau tarik Lber uba Preston ulaong ka VPP lada ka job MP kan sulit syong syabar ka parlimen namarba ka persyaktin hindi habakran ha ka jing yalang kisamla NPP ka balong ha ka nyau tarik Lber uba Preston ulaong kam mentoy ban ai jing kershan ya ki wei ki party kam tam ya ukertong ka VPP namar habaro san senem Maria sedang kedorbar kinyami no jelang syabar na parlimen. Uba prestun ulah kentu yaki Samla NPP bakim dei banting yaki tu kibak keno persya yaka seng NPP kamtam na ka Voice of the People Party.
Yo ia kacing job kabadon burom ngin create record menta ka kanti ngin create ya record ban napo ka Jylla Meghalaya ni pha ya baro arngut ki kentei ki long keme ki badai ki simpa ki simsong ban ya kren ban ya kir hangte haka dorbar ba parlimen baro arngut ka kren hindi ka jingbet ka balapala las ngeu ya ka jingkren jong i doktor amprin kren hindi tiap-tiap kumu ba modi bakum jo rui akata kaju kumu ba modi tekine ki arngut maniki ski yo seu don we urang ba akuren ba slotunat ba mau plang la ngamra uang la digi pha yakine ki BPP syatai sa parlimen anak kin walk out na parlimen baru sansnem kin nang isim mentah nama balai bagi ong ni persya ekte hindi hanta ya parlimen baru obtren hindi lut baru ikren hindi lut tenaga daus ngau bha ngini mi nang ne ni persya pai ba ngau bahawat jet yu kandidat ke BPP khamtam ne ubo persya hotin hodang bani kren hindi namar u Jylla de kabamot Maria sedang ke session kin yang mi no napo ka parlimen jadi keren dia ka lebih mi ka parlimen let no ai lu thachi eke bro ko ki ba jong ka Shillong parliamentary constituency kendit benreu ka por kadang don mentah singau bahawat siapen be bakatang de bakren mga kile dekat kam yo ipo ka house mne bang chuthok mga kumu presiden jo pasti kipat ba kyo i katoka live telecast kai kabajia nanta khamtam ne kajing khau put kapal asya kheba hakapor bo chief minister jo usem jo ustad ya finance lain lai kerenju ubada pas ubada specialize hakapor bo CM jo mi uyen banjuba batro ya kaban ai ke detail presentation ya ka budget haka kerteng karul hana kiong ni baki penkelai karul kumutai kiami pului kiami tak kawai na next can bah kia syong na kamra position kadon ko to TV na thai kia Peit ke TV ke presentation ba ai UCM ubatai thik pathik terai ke sui presiden jok BPP wa hana baka sorkar Meghalaya hana kadap dakaram imat ditang umi urang ba uklet pektu ya ke TV
UMLA ka rong sa kona subir marak hakah nyau tarik Lber ula play padba ya ke health sub center hasnong wetre gre songma ha southwest Garo Hills district Hakajingalang pli la donlang u Dr. H. Barman, District Medical and Health Officer, ka Dr. Noreen A. Sangma, District MCH Officer, Dr. Hollington A. Sangma, Arman CH Momen, BDO, Rera Para, Kinokma, bat kipat ba nakishnong hakanikathan. Usubir hakajingkren kumukongsan ulaong. Kajingwan jong kaneka health sub center hakanikashnong, kalawan ra yakijing mentoy nakabanta kipat ba kanikathan. Latay kaneka health sub center hakajinglut kabalakot siya kasan pusan lak tengka wilayah tu. Kaneka jaka sumar yakinongpang kan ajing sumar palat san hajar mut kipat ba kibasyong hakikat saw teli kishnong. Ka Dr. Noreen kalaong ba ka sorkar India bat ka sorkar Meghalaya kilayo jing hikay kambha nakaklam COVID-19 kabalasare ka perthei barok away. Nakajingwan ka klam COVID-19 ka sorkar India bat sorkar Meghalaya kila penbha bat penjana ya kilat sumar sukher ya kinongpang bat ikipat ba hakelengkari. Ki doktor ki bakran hakani ka jingalang pli kila kentu ikipat ba ban tur syakani ka jaka sumar ban shim ya kilat ki kabu ban long ki breu ki bakot bakia hakajingim.
Samla baru bisa kerja kan? Kalau kita macam ya, watigri semua nari baik, ya sub center ko operakanyo dompani na anigista. Ya tumbani orang football bertuak angini, kasara maaparang, jawada noburang, arur peskarang. Kalau ada macam ya. Watrili sub center ko inauguration khadio na rebana kita chol tu mananiman
Hakahnya utarik Lber, Menteri Rang Badu kari India Narendra Modi ulaple padba yaka Swadesh Darshan Project 1.0 baningkong ban kentiu bat penroy yaki jaka jengok kai perthei hakeleng ki distrik kari India. Ha Meghalaya ka East and West Khasi Hills District kalayo ban penbha ban penjana ya kisau teli ki jaka jengok kai perthei ki bakentup ya ka mau that Russian Peak lau disai keren tirot sing nong klau Cree River zip lining maulu mauyong bat ka khudoi ko mang falls sok tengkur ya kini ki project Menteri Rang Badu ula pli padba hakajingalang kabalalong Hasrinagar lengba ki dur na hau video conference. Hamai rang ban shimbenta hakane ka jingpli padba lapen kre ha hall jangka office PHE hakabala sakhi da uba medba lengdo MLA Mairang UDC ba Gideon Karamau Plang UCM ka Himanong Klau UPAM PMCM le UADC ba MDndo UBDO mau Rashan Block kisor darshnong kinong trei sorkar bat ki padba nong shnong na Mairang.
Tam semua orang organisasi ada manajemen dua kerang banyui ba ini kiskim ki bagi registration baru kata ilala ya kapan benda wala dan kuno hanu kaba dan sate di tempat yang itu kiba tray kontraktor dan kisnong bagi Peit ba de benda pro kapala nampak nama jumlah nak bantah istong ditahan didombi bat nak bantah inotus nama kunju bantah siu semua kita katuk ni kita kuat melompat manok laut kena nanti nampak lorentu kita phone dengan orang di kuat berbuat ini bagi dalam iskim di hotel kita beli nak kalian ke sorka kita belum kejadian nak bantah jombi kita jual Enlai dan pada ini bahawa mula sorbet gimana? Enlai ini kriteria dari ini condition di mana kalian ke government kalau buat pinhapan fulfill lagi, pinhapan pendam, pinhapan pembiang yang ikut Islam jadi. Kenapa? Ki any scheme kiba sokar ka an. Kiba lo have a form of subsidy. Kita akan mengitu betul jadi. Ipo itu 100%, ipo itu 100% batum tata. Jadi nasoban ba ki local entrepreneur, lani ki management, lani ki group, ki organization, lani ki society, ki laban sim ia kali kabu na kaban joki. Nama kani kalau kecingirang, ia kena business bagi kuat dan salam.
Pada kitu ki Khubor nglapoish kabakun tat hadu bangin daya syambiang Khublai Shibon.